All right, so I believe we've learned a lot about different types of terminal commands that we can use to get things done for us. And in this video, we are going to take a look at one other command called touch. And what this command does, I mean, it does a lot of things, but at the simplest level, I want to show you how you can just use touch to create a file from the terminal. But bear in mind, or in case you read elsewhere, the details of what the touch command does. Don't think I didn't teach you right. I am just teaching you one of the things that the touch command can do. And like I mentioned earlier, I just want to teach you enough command line skills to get your job done as a developer, and you can learn more about it elsewhere. Okay. All right, so you always want to make sure that you are in the correct working directory where you want your file to be created. And so if I want to create a file called main.py or py, which is a Python file, then all I have to do is to say touch main.py. So if the name of the file you specify doesn't exist, it is going to create that file for you automatically. But if the file exists, then the effect that the touch command has on that file is entirely different, but it's not the focus of this video. So if I execute this, you should expect to see that a file has been created on the desktop. Yes, and I don't know why it took a while before showing up, but this is it, main.py showing up on the desktop. So we can create another file. If I want to create, let's say, data.csv, I do that. This time around it came up quite faster. So you basically state a touch command and the name of the file that you want to create. So now that we have created them, we can remove them using the commands that we know already. So I'm going to remove main.py, and I'm also going to remove data.csv. So this is it about the touch command. Thank you very much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about maybe our final terminal command that is going to help us to copy a file from one folder to another. So see you soon.